Guys, do you want to learn how to install Tableau Public on your system? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to install Tableau Public on your system. Tableau Public is free version of Tableau Desktop. So you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Tableau Public. And guys, here you can see it's showing the official website. Just click on this link. And guys, it will redirect you to this page. And here, just click on this create menu and select the second option, download Tableau Public. And now guys, here it will take you to this page. This is the registration page. A small registration is required. Just provide your first name, last name, email ID and country, and which profession you are, whether you want to use for personal use, you are a educator or what, and just click on this download button. And now guys, it will redirect you to this page. And if the download does not start automatically, you can click on this link, whatever operating system you are having, based on that you can click on. So I'm having Windows operating system, so I'm just clicking on this Windows, and you can see guys, the download has been started. It's a 500 MB, so it will hardly take time. And guys, you can see the download is done. Now to install this, I'm going to click on this, and herein guys, now it's asking me license and agreement, so I'm just going to check mark this. And the second checkbox is for whether you want to send your usage data to Tableau or not. So I don't want, so I'm just checking this. If you want, you can keep it and simply click on this install button. Now guys, it will ask you permission, so just click on yes button, and the installation has been started. It will hardly take time. And guys, here the installation is done, and it has automatically started my Tableau, and it has created shortcut on desktop. So guys, that's all. This conclude my video. In next video, I will be showing you how you can populate data in Tableau, and I will be showing you how to use Tableau. So guys, I hope you really like this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button. And if you have any queries guys, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, you can send me your queries on my IG also. I will reply there also. Guys, if my videos are really helping you, share my videos to your friend. And guys, I'm sharing lots of notes and PDF on my Telegram. You can join my Telegram. All my social media link is in description box. You can join or follow me there also. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to hit bell icon. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.